Whenever you see me in a video or doing a demonstration, you'll always see me wearing safety glasses to protect my eyes. But the truth is, when I'm working at home in the workshop, I don't wear safety glasses. I wear my face shield. The thing about a face shield is, it protects your whole face. And you don't sound too good when you're talking with one, but it covers your whole face, it's curved around, it deflects noise away from your ears, it stops chips and shavings from getting in your mouth, and it keeps dust out to an extent, but you should still wear a face mask. So as you can see, this is a nice new clean one, but when you've been working for a while, they do get dirty. I can clean it as much as I like, but it's still not perfectly clean. So in that case, and it might get scratches in it and other problems arise. So what do you do then? Get a replacement visor. It's easy to fit. All you do is loosen a couple of these little levers here, slide the visor off, take your new clean one, fit it on, tighten the little levers, and there you are, ready to go. Good as gold and good as new. So these are the Maxisafe shields. So don't forget to click on the links below. Just make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See ya.